Right, I need to stitch some fabrics together for a project I'm making. I'm starting out with my number 97D patchwork foot. All right, so this foot, when you get your needle lined up, is 1/4 of an inch to the edge. So the way that works, just going to slide it in, and then on this side is the little lever that you pin down, pull down, and then you're going to find your foot setting, touch it, and it's going to bring me up my selection of numbers. I've got to move on to the number 97. So I'm going to have to go pretty far, and there it is, 97D. That's the one I've got, so now I can go out of that. And there we go.